has been a long time coming. I'm sure some of you that probably started watching my channel because of the RST projects. RST, in case you don't know, is Radio Shack truck. Well, guess what? I'm on RST number 4. I'm guessing you remember RST3, basically the 4x4 off-roader from Radio Shack. Here, have a look. So this guy is RST3. As you can see, there's some others in the background. These two are actually being worked on just to use for fun, make little races with them and so on and so forth. But they're going to be pretty much the same as RST3. So what am I on about concerning RST4? Well, you can see it right there on the left corner. So I'm going to go over nice and slowly. So now you can see it's up a little higher. Oh, what's that? It's got aluminum wheels. So yeah, check that out. Some nice aluminum wheels on RST4. Now, how do you think this came about? Well, I was at a bit of a loss as to what to do next concerning RST4, and obviously it's been a while since we've seen one on my channel. But it all started when a friend of mine handed me some little aluminum wheels, and I was looking at them, and they look pretty much the same as the Radio Shack wheels. Then a little bit more research, and they are actually wheels, aluminum upgrade wheels for the Tamiya TLT1. Of course, they're not a direct fit, so here's a little bit of a picture sequence of how they were made to fit. Now I still have a little bit of work to do, but if I take off the lid, you can see here there's these little itty bitty black things on the mounting poles for the body, and there's 2 of them here. Basically, they are a 5mm lift kit because the tires come really close in the original setup. So I needed to clear this here, and as you can see now it is clear, and it clears pretty well, and only because this truck doesn't have any suspension. But obviously I needed the 5mm lift kit to get that to work. As you can see, I have my 2 little bits that I made that are on shapeways. Basically a really easy upgrade kit to make your to convert your toy grade servo to a hobby grade servo. Let's have a look underneath. Now you can see the 12mm hex. Now you probably see that better in the pictures. Watch that I don't lose my gears because nothing is screwed in right now. Obviously I got to open up this area here to get all the battery and all that stuff in. And you can see here the 3D printed adapter to put the rear wheels on. So in short, I know you looked at the pictures already, but in short, I had to buy some 12mm hex rod and machine it to fix the front shafts. the front shafts needed to be changed on this one because they were crooked. So I just got some new 3mm shafts, threaded them on one side, put a flat spot for the hex drive, and the rest of it was press fit like the original one. And in the rear, it is the stock shaft. It's just threaded in order to fit the wheels on. So that's pretty much where I'm at for now as far as RST4 goes. The body's in pretty good shape. I think I'm going to leave the stickers like that. It doesn't have a roll bar. Maybe I'll make one out of aluminum or stainless steel or something. It's a bit dirty, it needs to be cleaned. And well, that's about it for RST. Oh, by the way, it's not just the wheels. It is also the tires that are from the TLT1. So obviously you can see the difference. Like this. I'm like really eager to try it, but I want to make sure everything is set up properly before I do so. So I guess you can look forward to a running video of RST4 in the coming future. I can't tell you exactly when. Maybe I'll run RST3 and RST4 at the same time. Obviously not by myself. But stay tuned.